All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are sitting in a juicy BTC short, juicy Ethereum short. I'm going to show you why I am short. Today's video is going to be a good one. Stick through the whole video. We're going to go over long-term projections. I have three main scenarios that I need to show you guys. Yes, three, but I need you to know what the possibilities are. I need you to put this in your brain. And then, of course, we're going to go over the smaller time frame, the hourly, the options, and then really zoom in. By the end of this video, you're going to see if I think all-time high is going to get broken, or if this low from this wick is going to get broken first. By the end of this video, we're going to go smaller time frame right up in here on this current dump that we experienced as well, and show you where you can get in on some possible trades here as well if you do leverage trade this stuff. The long-term scenarios are going to be more for spot buying purposes and selling. So stick through the whole video. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. Let's get right into it. This first chart is coming from the free Discord. I have it pinned right here in the long-term projections. I do update these with the long-term projections for Bitcoin as they change. Guys, join the free Discord if you're not already for these projections, for the community, and then also more importantly for the free Elliott Wave course, because I do trade with Elliott Wave theory. I have an Elliott Wave boot camp. It's about 3 hours. It's for free for you. Go take it and learn how I trade. So we're going to look at this chart first. This is kind of the long-term projection I'm kind of liking the most at this point, guys. Kind of liking it the most. This is dating all the way back to December 2018 through the C19 situation right here with the dump and up to the current highs where we're at. This scenario is on log scale. This is more of an ending diagonal situation, in which we are putting in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse. I'm expecting a little bit of a correction here down to maybe 74 to 80K in that region, and then one more swoop to the upside to put in a full 5 wave structure here, in which we will correct. I'm not saying we have to come down to the trend line. This trend line isn't important for this specific correction. My dog's barking at a squirrel outside, and then it's gonna, it doesn't have to come down to the trend line, but some type of nice correction here through 2025, and then into a massive pump for 2026, putting in more of an ABC shape right here, staying inside the channel lines or the trend lines for an ending diagonal. It looks, ending diagonals are corrective in each leg, so we get a correction up, correction down, correction up, probably correction down, probably another correction up. It can keep channeling right in here, right, guys? But immediately, this is what I'm looking for. A little bit of a pullback here, 75 to 80K. Pump up, 130, 140. Hit us with a retrace. Kind of correct this move. Hold this area as support that we consolidated on for like 7-8 months before the election. And then pump up again. So this is looking like 2025 would be a bear market. Next scenario. Option number 2. This is a wild card count. I don't like this, but I see a lot of people counting this. I'm going to include it. I don't like this. Not even my second scenario. I just have it listed as option number 2. But this is a major flat. This is also on log scale. Here's the previous all-time highs over at 68K. Here's the new all-time highs at 100. This has a correction down off the top, a WXYXZ off the bottom, so a correction up. Correction down, correction up that broke the high, and then an impulse down, a very quick impulsive wave to the downside to around 20-25K, and then we zoom to the highs again. It's just a major flat correction, and then the real bull run begins. Again, I'm not a huge fan of this count, but it is live. It is very live. This Z wave right here, this correction right here, it looks a little too extended for me. It looks strange. I'm not a huge fan of this, but it could be the case. I don't like playing WXYXZs until they actually follow through. Option 3, this is probably my second most likely scenario at this point. This is saying that we do get a retrace as well, just like this scenario that I showed you, the first one. But instead of it being a retrace into one more little leg higher, and then a bigger retrace on a more major degree before, to the trend line, before we continue up to the trend line. This is saying that this is just a straight up impulsive wave, a big boy that you're going to want to catch. So a retrace here, And then that's just another 1, 2, and then boom, the big time 3, 4, 5. These targets are, you know, when all is said and done, 250, 260, 270, 300. This is a big time impulsive wave. This is a very live count. This is probably my second most likely situation. I really like this one. Hang on. This one that I showed you, it gets you up to like 130, 140. It's past 100K. It gives you a nice retrace. People think the top is in there, that we're coming down, and then, you know, it will spike up to the highs again. So 2025 would be bearish, short term, but then, you know, long term bullish. I like this one the best, guys. This is just a roadmap to base, you know, your spot buying around, you know, your alt buying, your meme coins, whatever you got to do. For trading purposes, you know, I rock out on the smaller time frames anyway. So we're going to go over the hourly time frame, what I'm seeing as far as immediate scenarios playing out, and then really micro time frame in here, and show you guys some trades that you can get into. I did post these trades and these setups over in the premium Discord, guys, and my swing alerts. The Ethereum trade was posted, the BTC trade was posted. I'm servicing these trades. We already TP'd on it, and we're letting the rest rock out. You can see I'm in a 3 BTC position, a 45 ETH position, looking to hold these. So if you want access to the premium Discord, guys, we're about to live stream here in a second as well. After I post this video, I have 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. All my indicators are included, so we can trade on the same page. I take your request. Click upgrade here once you're in the free Discord. Click the WAP link, guys. This $20 off your first month coupon code, it expires the 10th. This is the last code I'm running for a while. It expires tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day to use it. Use code heating up for $20 off your first month if you want to give the premium Discord a try and come trade with us, okay? If you want to really learn Elliott wave, take the course, but you need to see it done firsthand. That's how I learned. You need to see it practiced. You need to see what the mentality is and how you put these trades in, okay? So we'll see you over in premium Discord. And then lastly, if you want to trade on Blowfin, there are no KYC available in the United States and Canada. It's what everyone uses to trade on, guys. Leverage trade. Just click the link pin in the first comment down below to get access to this promotion. You will get a free $1,500 airdropped into your account, 1,500 USDT. That is the price of an iPhone 16, but they're just giving you the USDT if your trading volume is over 6 mil during the promotion period. So sign up with the link pin in the first comment down below. It's so easy to hit that with leverage trading, guys. I hit that on a freaking daily basis. So pin in the first comment down below. You will find the free Discord. Upgrade here. Boom. Premium Discord. You will find the Blowfin link right there as well. You're automatically entered. You just sign up with your email. Easy as that. All right, let's go smaller time frame. Let's go smaller time frame. If you're getting something out of these videos, guys, if you learn anything, smash the like button for me and subscribe if you're not already, because we do daily Bitcoin updates. I try to map this stuff out before it happens for you guys. So there's two options here on the hourly that I like. Both are pointing to the downside. I mean, note this. We have the red option, we have the yellow option. Both are pointing to the downside, guys. So I'm bearish here in the short term at least. Option number one, and you know, obviously hedging against both of these, I will be TPing at certain levels on this trade. So option number one, we have a very strange flat count, and I'm going to zoom in on this a little more for you guys. Here, we'll get rid of everything. I'll redraw it. So here is the absolute dump on BTC that we had late last week. Scared the bejesus out of everybody, and you know what I called for this dump. You know, I wanted to see this be a finished flat. I wanted to see this come a little deeper, but it looks like just a, it doesn't. I don't see a wave 4 into a wave 5 here. That's my only issue. But you know, ultimately, trend line was broken. That's what I was looking to see. A very quick, very fast, very vicious dump, and we got that. We got that. But how this wave is kind of progressing here, I do see a very complex flat correction now on the charts. It's strange. It's probably not what a lot of people are seeing, but it's what I am seeing. So I have a correction down. This is our A leg of our flat. I have a correction up, correction down, impulse. This is our B leg of our flat. So that's a flat within a flat, right? B. And we're going to come down for C. We're going to come down for C. I have a starting impulse into 2, another impulse into 2, and this should be the impulsive wave to finish it off. You know, this trend line needs to hold, but I have a 1 2 1 2, looking for 3 4 5 4 5. Like that's and that's going to be C. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm primarily playing on this short. That's what I'm primarily playing on this short, upon which we will look to go attack the highs again. So I'm not holding this short forever, guys. 75 to 80K is my sweet spot. That's where I want to take this thing down into, Lord willing, right? And we'll see where Ethereum's at once we get down here, right? I'm not too confident on my Ethereum targets right now, but I am bearish on it. I can tell you that much. Now we're gonna go over another option, and then we're gonna go smaller time frame. I'm gonna show you some trades you can get into, but this is the account that I'm playing. Account that you need to watch out for, though, is saying that this is truncated. This is a truncated fifth. That is our fifth wave right here. We put in our flat right there. We put in one more high right there. That's it. That's finished. Zooming out. We have, you know, you can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, truncated. Or I don't like it because there's a flat right here, also followed by a flat. You usually don't see that. I would rather call this whole thing right here a finished wave. 1, 2, 3, flat, 4 into 5. This ultimately, what I'm trying to say is, we would look for some type of a corrective wave rather than impulsive to the downside. Still down around these targets, but taking a little more time. You can also get a flat, guys. Be careful of this. You have a correction down, correction up, impulse down. You know, this would take out the high again, and then we go. But still, you get that corrective shape, you know. But most likely, it won't take out the high. It'll just give you a zigzag shape, right? So these are things you need to watch out for. Both these scenarios are pointing to the downside. I am bearish. If you are bullish, you need this. You need this to be a finished flat. You need this to be a 1. You need this to correct in here, give a nice correction, and then push up out of here. Any kind of a shape like this where we break the high, yeah, I'm going to be bullish, you know, looking for 120, 125 right here into 5-wave shape. That's what I'm going to be looking for if we get this in the immediate term, all right? Now, going smaller time frame on this, smaller time frame. Where can we get into some trades now, guys? Where can we get into some trades? I'm already short. I would love to add to this short, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I was sleeping through this spike. I wish I caught this down. I would have added, but whatever. What are you going to do? Very easy. Very simple. You need this trend line to hold. If this is a 1 into a 2 into another 1 into a 2 of a more minor degree, then this is your big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, that's your impulse. If this comes up and takes this trend line out, I mean, that obviously that's not a good look. You know, you can have like a correction here in form of a flat and then come down. Probably would really consider just retracing this and going up to 120, 130 if this is to play out. But if I was to put in new trades, this is what I would be doing. I would be looking, honestly, right now at a retrace of this push down. And I need this high to hold, guys. I need this high to hold. I really do. If this is a 1, 2, 1, 2 into this is the third 1, 2, the sharp one, yeah, you need the high to hold right here. This ain't rocket science. Take this down to about 80K. Let it run. Boom. Boom. I don't know how high this is going to retrace. We can kind of look right now. I don't like posting these videos. You know, these things change quick. This, by the time it's posted, is probably already dumped or pumped. So, you know, take it for a grain of salt. You know, just kind of learn how these trades are put in. But 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2s, I need these highs to hold. Very easy, very simple, very straightforward trade. You just put the trade in. Local high is your stop loss. Let it rock. That's what I would be doing. That's why I'm going to go in the premium Discord and fire a new trade in with these guys. Probably go look at some alts right now. Join the premium Discord, guys. Last day is tomorrow for that code. Last one for a while. Heating up. I'm telling you, it's the last one for a while. And then hop on Blowfin. Trade with us, baby. Trade with us. Best no KYC exchange out right now. I will see you in tomorrow's video. I appreciate you guys watching this thing all the way through. Trade safe. I love you. Bye.